Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Educational Point. I am Jyoti ma'am and today I am going to discuss the topic sequence structure in C++. But before starting the session, I would like to say please subscribe my channel. Now let's get started. So first of all, let's discuss about sequence structure. The sequence control structure is the simplest of control structures. सीक्वेंस कंट्रोल स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो सबसे सिंपलेस्ट होता है. Sequence control structure refers to the line-by-line execution by which statements are executed sequentially in the same order in which they appear in the program. Sequence control structure line by line execution करता है जिसमें कि statements लिखे गए हैं. प्रोग्राम में जिस सीक्वेंस में स्टेटमेंट्स लिखे जाते हैं बिल्कुल उसी ऑर्डर में सीक्वेंस कंट्रोल स्ट्रक्चर में स्टेटमेंट्स एग्जीक्यूट किए जाते हैं. Let's see control flow in sequence structure. In sequential structure, the control flows from one statement to another in a logical sequence. We can write as many statements as we want, but all statements are executed exactly once. It means that no statement is escaped and no statement is repeated. Sequence structure में control flow एक स्टेटमेंट से दूसरे स्टेटमेंट में सीक्वेंशियली होता है. हम प्रोग्राम में जितने स्टेटमेंट चाहे उतने स्टेटमेंट्स लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन सारे स्टेटमेंट्स सिर्फ वन टाइम ही एग्जीक्यूट होंगे. इसमें सारे स्टेटमेंट्स वन टाइम एग्जीक्यूट होते हैं और कोई भी स्टेटमेंट रिपीट नहीं किया जाता. नाउ लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल ऑफ सीक्वेंस स्ट्रक्चर. For example, if we want to write a program to add two numbers, the set of statements will be like this. First of all, get first number from the user. Then the second statement will be get second number from user. Then the third statement will be sum both numbers using addition operator. The next statement will be print the sum on screen. So this is the sequence of the statement in a program where we want to add two numbers. All these statements are written and executed only once and the program executes them sequentially to find sum. So यहाँ पर जो भी statements लिखे गए हैं वो सारे statements only one time execute होंगे और इसी sequence में execute होंगे. Now let's see the exact program in C++. This is the C++ program which is an example of sequence control structure. Here we add two integer numbers. So these are the statements for this program. First of all, we entered two numbers. First number is stored in num1 and second number is stored in num2. Now we calculate the sum of these two numbers and store this number in sum. Lastly, we print the sum of these entered two numbers. Let's compile this program. Now run this program. Here we enter first number. For example, our first number will be 60. Now let's give the second number. For example, 45. And the sum will be 105 of these two numbers. Thanks for watching all of you. Please subscribe my channel, also like and share this video and press the bell icon for further updates.